Hi, welcome to Sandabama Farm. I'm Renee, and my husband, Sonny, is the owner of Sandabama Farm, and I work here with him. I'm standing right now in a recently planted squash field. So the plants are still small, and they don't have any squash on them yet. Let's go look at the watermelon patch. There's Uncle Stanley on the orange tractor. I'm here in the watermelon patch to show you how watermelons grow. At Sandabama Farms, we grow many watermelons every year, and we sell them to grocery stores and restaurants and people. Here's a watermelon growing on the vine. To take care of the watermelon plants, we hoe and pull up the weeds that grow around them, like this weed here. I pulled it up by the roots and toss it away so it doesn't choke up my watermelon. Here's a little tiny watermelon that's just starting to grow. Look how small it is. We also have a little orchard on the farm where we grow fruits like grapes and muscadines, which are like grapes. These are not ripe yet, so we can't eat them. Some will turn pink, some will turn black, and some will stay green when they are ready to eat. These are going to be delicious. They're still very small. When they get big, they'll be sweet, and we will make juice. Here's an apple tree. In the fall, we will make apple pies, apple juice, apple sauce, apple butter. Yum, yum, yum. And here is our pear tree. There are many pears growing on it, but they are still small and hard and not ready to eat yet. Here comes my husband, the farmer, with my two daughters, Abby and Allie. And they're mowing the lawn. They love riding the lawnmower with their dad. Here are some broccoli plants. Broccoli grows in the middle of the plant, and we cut it off here to take it to the store or restaurant to sell. We have a lot of animals on the farm. Here are 4 of our horses. That's Baby, Amber Rose, Chief, and Misty. Chief is coming to say hi. Hi, Chief. Hi, Amber Rose. Nice horses. My dachshunds are teasing the horses. Bad dog. That will scare the horses.